Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use OpenCode in Zen. OpenCode in Zen is a powerful cloud-based platform designed for developers and teams who want to write, test, and deploy code quickly and efficiently. It provides a secure and collaborative environment where you can manage multiple projects, integrate with popular version control systems like GitHub, and connect to other external tools to streamline your workflow. OpenCode supports multiple programming languages and allows you to run code in real time without needing to install complex environments on your local machine. The platform also offers advanced features like billing management, analytics, and team collaboration options, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced developers who want to scale their projects professionally. Now, to begin, click on Get Started with Zen. Here, you can choose to continue with GitHub if you already have an account, or continue with Google if you prefer using your Google account. Pick the option that is most convenient for you. Next, enter your username or email address along with your password. Make sure the information is entered correctly to avoid login issues. After that, enter the device verification code that will be sent to your email or mobile device. This step ensures that your account is secure and your device is properly verified. Here, click on Enable Billing to activate payment features. This is allow you to access premium OpenCode services and manage subscriptions. Now choose your preferred currency from the list of available options. Then enter your payment method details, including your card information, card holder name, and billing address. Double check that all the details are correct to prevent any issues with billing. Once you have completed these steps, your OpenCode account is ready, and you can start using Zen to write, test, and deploy your projects efficiently, collaborate with your team, and take full advantage of the platform's features. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.